Welcome to our video on 10 brain and body exercises. We all know that exercise is good for us, but did you know that specific exercises can also improve our cognitive abilities and brain function? These exercises are designed to stimulate and challenge both the brain and the body, and they can help improve memory, concentration, and overall mental performance. So let's dive into the 10 brain and body exercises that you can start doing today. Number 1. Cardiovascular exercise, also known as cardio, is one of the most effective ways to improve brain function. Studies have shown that regular cardio exercise can increase the size of the hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for memory and learning. Cardio exercise can also increase blood flow to the brain, which can improve overall cognitive function. Number 2. Yoga is a mind-body practice that combines physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation. Regular practice of yoga has been shown to improve cognitive function, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. Yoga can also help improve flexibility, balance, and posture. Number 3. Meditation is a mental exercise that involves focusing your attention on a specific object, thought, or activity. It has been shown to reduce stress, improve concentration, and increase self-awareness. Meditation can also help improve sleep quality and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Number 4. Strength training involves lifting weights or using resistance to build muscle mass and improve overall strength. Studies have shown that regular strength training can improve cognitive function and memory, as well as reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Number 5. Tai Chi is a traditional Chinese martial art that involves slow, flowing movements and deep breathing. It has been shown to improve cognitive function, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. Tai Chi can also improve balance, flexibility, and posture. Number 6. Dancing is a fun way to improve brain function and overall physical fitness. Studies have shown that regular dancing can improve cognitive function, memory, and mood. Dancing can also improve balance, coordination, and posture. Number 7. Brain games, such as puzzles, riddles, and memory games, can help improve cognitive function and memory. They can also provide mental stimulation and help reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Number 8. Aerobic exercise, such as running or cycling, can improve cardiovascular health and increase blood flow to the brain. This increased blood flow can help improve cognitive function and memory. Number 9. Crossword puzzles are a classic brain game that can help improve cognitive function and memory. They provide mental stimulation and can help reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Number 10. Walking is a simple yet effective way to improve brain function and overall physical fitness. Studies have shown that regular walking can improve cognitive function, memory, and mood. Walking can also improve cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. So there you have it, 10 brain and body exercises that you can start doing today to improve your cognitive abilities and overall physical health. Whether it's cardio, yoga, meditation, strength training, Tai Chi, dancing, brain games, aerobic exercise, crossword puzzles, or walking, there's an exercise for everyone. So pick 1 or 2 exercises that you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. Your brain and body will thank you for it. Thank you for watching.